So back in 2008, when I wanted to find some products for my pet, I was really disappointed with what I saw in the market. That's when I decided to, give pet parents lots of avenues to be able to pamper their pets with good quality, well-designed products. And that's how I started it out. I think right from the start, we're lucky that we're in the digital age, and as an entrepreneur and a starting small entrepreneur who's, with a homegrown business, the digital platform is so powerful because it gives everybody, no matter how big or small you are, the same amount of power to reach new customers, to be able to tell their story in a nice and fun way, to bring out the passion and to, really kind of reach out and connect with people all across the world. A little bit when it came to kind of learning the different tools out there and the different social medias out there, but I think that was the only little challenge. Now of course it's a little bit more challenging because everything has become much more commercial than it was, and you need to pay up a lot more than what it was. Really kind of finding your voice on social media and finding your voice in the digital space and bringing out the personality. So a little bit of finding your own self. I think it's super exciting. Lots and lots of startups coming up every day. I mean, everybody wants to start up and do something of their own, which I think is brilliant. It's a really, really fun time to be. Of course, it comes with its whole lot of challenges, but I think the key is to just hang in there, be persistent, believe in your plan and your dream, and just go for it. Even if it's one step at a time, and even if you have to take it slow, but just keep going. Digital is a really, really powerful tool because I think everybody has access. It doesn't matter where you're working from, who you are, what you do, we all have the same access. There's a lot that you can do with it. Even if you're starting out small, you can tell your story, you can reach more people, you can be creative in so many different ways, and there's so much talent in our country. Even small entrepreneurs who work from home, there's so much good stuff out there. So I think it's a really awesome, powerful platform. One step at a time and just not to stop. I mean, just to keep going. We all have, personal challenges, professional challenges, and it's not easy to work in India. There are just so many problems. But that's my mantra, that just to keep going, no matter how slow or how fast. I mean, some days are great, some days are awful, but just one step at a time and just keep going. My dog, Sarah, and she came into my life in 2007. There was just nothing out there. I went to so many pet shops, the leading pet shops of the city, and there was absolutely nothing. And that's when I decided that there must be good quality products available for pet parents to be able to pamper their pets. So whether it was beds to match homes. I mean, the doggy beds that I saw were like terrible, really ugly. So we started making dog beds that fit into people's homes, match their furnitures, and yet are customized for the life stage of the pet as well. So we started customizing and really kind of understanding pets and what their needs are. Being able to reach more and more people, being able to create more awesomeness in my products, being able to get better designers, better quality, be able to get more people to use my products, because we put so much heart into it, so much effort into it, that I'm just the happiest when it's actually being used on more and more dogs. Follow your dreams, don't give up, and be persistent.